First bite all day. Sweating my butt off to get a fish, and I got a good one too. The bite I was looking for. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, finally guys. Finally got one. It's a solid fish too. Look at them. The Powerteam lures. Ribbon Hinge worm there. And watermelon red flake. Trim the worm down a little bit to flip it on the laser choker flipping hook here, because I was flipping and punching and pitching with it. First one in about 2 hours. It was around 90 something degrees today with the humidity. It feels like 100. These clouds just came in, so it's cooling off. Look at this solid fish. I'd push him at 2.5, maybe 3 pounds. He's probably close to it. Came right off this boat here. He was actually only my second bite. The first bite I had, I was fishing the worm full length, and it ripped half the tail off, so that's when I decided to trim it down. Oh, he got me soaked. Another one on, guys. Sorry I missed the hookup. There we go. Good fish again. Oh. There he is, guys. Powerteam lures, ribbon hinge worm. 1 ounce weight. Flipping, pitching, and punching some grass. He came out of a big patch of grass down here. Sorry I flipped him up like that, guys. I was way off the bank here. I usually try to flip him right into me, but there's a big solid patch of grass here, really thick. He hit it on the fall. Another 2.5 pounder. Get him back in the water right away, and there he goes. See if we get some more. I didn't even know I had one on. That's how small he was, guys. Did you see that? I didn't even feel him on. Good fish. Yeah. Oh man, he's so skinny though. So skinny. Darn. He was actually sitting there. I thought I scared a bluegill or something. I don't know if I probably got it on camera or not, but he was sitting right under the boat. I flipped there. I mean, I got a 1 ounce weight on too, so you can imagine how fast he had to hit it. As soon as I hit the water, I seen a little wake. I thought maybe I'd cast on a bluegill or something. And nope, it was a largemouth bass sitting right underneath the pontoon there. Just waiting for something to come down. Oh. Well, there he goes. Couldn't hold him anymore. He's ripping my thumb up pretty bad. Dang. Well, he was a skinny one, but that was a decent fish. So it came right underneath that pontoon. He was just sitting under waiting. And there's about a big clump of grass, a couple pieces, about 2 or 3 feet to the left over there. So on that PTL ribbon hinge worm there, 1 ounce weight for choker flipping hook.